Hello, my dear students of Benguet State University. Welcome to our online class. I am your teacher, Jan Lasea. Ladies and gentlemen, this is my lecture in our laboratory subject of Systems Integration and Architecture 2. Today I discuss web-based prototype of the laboratory hands-on activity number 12 entitled Save a Record, Sign Up. Let us focus our attention on the simple design of my web page. On top, where the navigation bar is placed, the navigation bar contains menus, small ID picture, a welcome message label, and a real-time date and time. The codes that display the navigation bar is located in the file index.html under the body tag. The bootstrap tag command class name navbar. On the div ID name navbar is where the codes that set up the menus. Next, underneath the navigation bar is the center panel that occupies almost 90% of the web page space. The center panel is where the wallpaper and membership registration form are placed. The codes that display the center panel is located in the file index.html under the body tag, the bootstrap tag command class name jumbotron. On the div ID name container is where it loads and places the wallpaper or the membership registration form. Next, let us focus our attention on the sign up menu. The sign up menu codes are placed under the class name navbar and ID name navbar. The sign up menu has three menu items, namely sign up, log in, and log out. Their ID names are sign up menu, log in menu, and log out menu respectively. You notice that the log out menu item has a light gray color text that indicates the menu item is disabled. By placing a class name disabled on the list item, it will turn the text color to light gray. Next, let us learn also event-driven programming in web page programming. The JavaScript window onload event is triggered when a web page is loaded. On the other hand, the jQuery ready event is triggered when the document object model is set and ready. Both are the same. The Bootstrap uses the jQuery JavaScript library. That is why we place inside the ready event function the codes for button submit event function, click event functions, and load command. Next, the sign up menu click event function is triggered when we click the sign up menu item. Either the menu item is enabled or disabled. If the sign up menu item is enabled and we click it, it triggers the sign up menu click event function. Its action is to evaluate the if condition is sign up is equal to true. I program the variable sign up to contain a value true if the sign up menu item is enabled. Therefore, the condition evaluates to true, and then the CPU executes the codes inside the body of the if. If the sign up menu item is disabled and we click it, it triggers the sign up menu click event. Its action is to evaluate the if condition is sign up is equal to true. I program the variable is sign up to contain a value false if the sign up menu item is disabled. Therefore, the condition evaluates to false, and the CPU executes the codes inside the body of the else. You have guessed it by now that either the menu item is enabled or disabled. It is clickable. Next, what happens if we click the enabled sign up menu item? The CPU will clear the contents of both the username and password text boxes on the login modal dialog box. And then next, it executes this load web page command, $container.load pages / signup.html. It loads the contents of the file signup.html located at the folder pages and place at the center panel the contents of the signup.html. And then therefore, the appearance of the signup.html looks like this. We can see a membership registration form. Note, the center panel has an ID name container, and we reference the ID name container and invoke the load command. Next, when you install the XAMPP, there is no password set in the MySQL or MariaDB database engine. In my computer, I set the password to lasea922043 for the host, localhost, and user root. To browse and test successfully the web page, Ajax activity number 5, open the following PHP files: login.php, add.php, search.php, update.php, locate and edit the line $db password is equal to the string lasea922043, and then change to $db password is equal to empty string, double quotes, semicolon. Write your questions and comments down below or post it in our Google Classroom. That ends our topic for today. I hope you have learned in my class. Thank you for watching. God bless us.